A border security measure headed to Governor Greg Abbott's desk is expected to end up in a big legal battle in court once it's signed into law.
Another bill is headed back to the Senate. Fox 4's Dan Godwin here to explain. Good morning.
Good morning, Brandon. One of the bills, SB 4, would make it a state crime in Texas to cross the southern border to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have all members voted? There being 83 hours and 61 days, SB 4 is finally passed.
SB 4 would allow state and local law enforcement officers to arrest people for a misdemeanor who get into the country illegally. Democrats have called it unconstitutional and raised concerns it could lead to racial profiling. They also voiced familiar objections that the state was overstepping its authority when it comes to policing the border.
Senate Bill 4 is the broadest, most invasive piece of legislation to ever potentially challenge the very nature of our federal and state power. The power to enforce immigration is unquestionably, exclusively a federal power. It is not within our state authority to order the removal of persons unlawfully present.
SB 4 is a Texas solution to a Texas problem. It's a humane, logical, and efficient approach to a problem created and fostered, again, by the Biden administration's failure and refusal to secure our border. There's nothing unfair about ordering someone back from where they came if they arrived here illegally.
The State House yesterday also approved a bill to provide about $1.5 billion to pay for another 100 miles of upgraded barriers along the southern border. That legislation will need approval from the Texas Senate because a new amendment was added. Governor Abbott is expected to sign both border bills into law. Now, Democrats contend, even with the governor's signature, the U.S. Supreme Court has in the past said states cannot enforce federal immigration laws. The bill's Republican sponsor insists the legislation would not be in conflict with any previous high court rulings. Dan Godwin on Good Day.